Welcome to Tesla AI Day 2022. We're going to talk about the advancements in AI for full self-driving, as well as how they apply to, more generally, to real-world AI problems like a humanoid robot and even going beyond that. So if I go crazy, you can fire me. This is important. Sort of rough development robot using semi-off-the-shelf actuators. But we actually have gone a step further than that already. The team's done an incredible job. And we actually have an Optimus bot with fully Tesla-designed and built actuators, battery pack, control system, everything. Our goal is to make a useful humanoid robot as quickly as possible. And we've also designed it using the same discipline that we use in designing the car, which is to design it for manufacturing such that it's possible to make the robot in high volume at low cost with high reliability. So that's incredibly important. I mean, you've all seen very impressive humanoid robot demonstrations. And that's great, but what are they missing? They're missing a brain. They don't have the intelligence to navigate the world by themselves. And they're also very expensive and made in low volume. Whereas the Optimus is designed to be an extremely capable robot, but made in very high volume, probably ultimately millions of units. And it is expected to cost much less than a car. So,
to the right here.
I would say probably less than $20,000. The potential for Optimus is, I think, appreciated by very few people. So, now there's still a lot of work to be done to refine Optimus and improve it. Obviously, this is just Optimus version 1. And that's really why we're holding this event, which is to convince some of the most talented people in the world, like you guys, to join Tesla and help make it a reality and bring it to fruition at scale such that it can help millions of people. And the potential, like I said, is really boggles the mind, because you have to say, like, what is an economy? An economy is sort of productive entities times their productivity, capita times output. Productivity per capita. At the point at which there is not a limitation on capita, it's not clear what an economy even means at that point. An economy becomes quasi-infinite. Taken to fruition in the hopefully benign scenario, this means a future of abundance, a future where there is no poverty, where you can have whatever you want in terms of products and services. It really is a fundamental transformation of civilization as we know it. Obviously, we want to make sure that transformation is a positive one and safe. But that's also why I think Tesla as an entity doing this, being a single class of stock, publicly traded, owned by the public, is very important and should not be overlooked. I think this is essential, because then if the public doesn't like what Tesla's doing, the public can buy shares in Tesla and vote differently. This is a big deal. Like, it's very important that I can't just do what I want. It's very important that the corporate entity that makes this happen is something that the public can properly influence. And so I think the Tesla structure is ideal for that. Optimus, I think, has maybe a 2 order of magnitude potential improvement in economic output. It's not clear what the limit actually even is, but we need to do this in the right way. We need to do it carefully and safely and ensure that the outcome is one that is beneficial to civilization and one that humanity wants. This is also extremely important, obviously. And I hope you will consider joining Tesla to achieve those goals. At Tesla, we really care about doing the right thing here, or aspire to do the right thing, and really not pave the road to hell with good intentions. And I think the road to hell is mostly paved with bad intentions, but every now and again there's a good intention in there. So we want to do the right thing. So consider joining us and helping make it happen. With that, let's